how to connect Mallabe to Make, formerly also called Integromat. Let's begin. As you know, Mallabe currently allows you to automate different things between Make to other integrations. Currently we offer integrations into Zapier and Make for automating currencies exchange, automating images resizing, images compression, different type of tools. Let's begin. Let's start by signing up. So let's put all the details. And after signing up, we'll need to activate the account. So once we activate the account, Mallabe will create an API key for us. Let's sign into the new account. Now we see that an API key was created for us, but different subscriptions require different models. Some models require subscriptions, some models don't require any subscription. In our case, if you want to use our images model, and if you want to use our currencies model, you would need to subscribe. So you have currency exchange and images model. Let's start with connecting with the images model to Make. So to do that, we'll need to pick a subscription. You can start by using the free subscription. Let's add this subscription and proceed to checkout. Let's just add anything in here. Next. It doesn't matter. And complete the order. Mallabe will automatically find the subscription and add it. You can see that we get images free subscription. Now let's use the API key and connect it to Make. So copy to clipboard, going to Make. Let's open a new scenario. And let's add Mallabe images, or for example, compress an image. We will just create a connection. We'll add the API key that we just received from Mallabe and click on Save. That's it. Now you can start using Mallabe. In the next videos, we'll talk about how to actually integrate with different integrations, with Airtable, maybe some Google Drive, and we'll see how to get going. Thank you.